So in today's video, we are going to be using one BTC, which is worth over $38,000 to review a platform called Prime Xbt. But here's the backstory. In the past, I made a video on the top 7 crypto exchange platforms to buy and sell your cryptocurrencies in Nigeria. This prompted a company based in Trendsetters to reach out to me for me to review their platform and see if it's worthy enough for Nigerians to make use of their platform to invest in the crypto market. And I'm actually happy because this is my first sponsored video. Oh yeah, clap for me, guys. While going through the exchange, I discovered that you can use the exchange to invest in the forex market, to invest in the crypto market. I also discovered that you can copy the trade of some of the best traders in the world, which is one unique thing I found out that this particular platform has. So in this video, we are going to go through the platform and all the features it has, and at the end of the video, I'll tell you whether this platform is worth making use of in investing in the crypto market. So right here, guys, is my Prime Xbt dashboard, and I currently have 38,334 USD. This is actually equal to 1 BTC as of this moment of shooting this video. Now, before we basically go through this platform and actually trade live here or copy some of the best traders in the world, I want to let you guys know that Prime Xbt was founded in the year 2018 and is located in Trendsetters. And the government of Trendsetters is actually friendly to cryptocurrency. They're actually adopting cryptocurrency, they're encouraging cryptocurrency, and that's why most of the top crypto exchanges are actually located there. So let's just do an overview of the platform. So here on my dashboard, you can see one BTC, which is here. These are some of the top coins, or some of the mostly traded crypto. You have Bitcoin, you have Ethereum, and then you have stable coins like Theta USD, you have the USD coin, and then you have conversion. This is another different way of trading on Prime Xbt, which we are going to talk about in this video. So Prime Xbt, you have the referral. So basically, if you sign up, there's going to be a link in case you want to sign up. There's going to be a link in the description which you can use to sign up. And if you use the promo code AROOMS, you're going to get 200%. Sorry, you're going to get 50% bonus if you sign up with $200 and above. I pray they give us 200% bonus in the future. So basically, this is just a referral. There are different stages of the referral program, and it's a good way to actually make some passive income. Then you have the reports, and then your trading history, your transfer history, your settings. So basically that's just it. But let's go back to the dashboard. Let's go back to our dashboard. So here on our dashboard, you have the margin, as you can see here. So if you want to trade live, like for those guys that are more of technical traders, you can make use of this margin to actually buy and sell cryptocurrencies like you can do on other crypto platforms. So let me say I want to analyze, okay, here is Dogecoin. Here is Dogecoin through QSD. All I can do is, you can see the market is down, everything is going down. Like this is the candlestick. This is the candlestick, and here's the this is where you can actually read your chart and know the trade you want to take at the moment. So let me say I look at the market now, and I see that the market is down, everything is going down. As you can see, this red stick actually indicates the market is going down, and I want to place a trade. I want to buy now that the market is going down. All I can just do is click on the buy button. You can see here, this is the buy, this is the sell, depends on you, and set how much I want to, how much amount of Dogecoin I want to actually purchase here. And then let me say I want to buy 0.03. Let me say I want to buy 5 Dogecoin is equal to 0.00100 BTC, and I have more than that in my in this Prime Xbt account. I can decide to put my stop loss for those that are technical traders that love setting their stop loss and don't want to hold for the long term and all that stuff. You can basically set your stop loss. So this is your stop price. This is how much you want to sell in case the market should go down more, and this is how much you want to take profit in case the market should rise. If it reaches maybe a particular amount, you also want to take your profit and leave and exit the trade. It's up to you. So let's just say set a stop loss here of 0.11 here of 7. So you can just send the order here, then confirm our order. So we have the copy trading on Prime Xbt. We are going to, this is where we're going to focus on more. But let's just go to other ones, but the main purpose of this video is just talking about this copy trading, because personally I'm not a technical trader. I don't know much more about technical trading. What I basically do is more of buying and holding for the long term, but we can basically leverage on this copy trading to make money and not actually trading live. But we are going to come back to this. Let's just go through the other features of Prime Xbt. So if you go to the yield here, you can see annual percentage yield. If you invest in Ethereum, you get 0.54. If you stake your Ethereum here, if you stake your USDT, you get a return of 3.84%. This is what you get annually, like at the end of every year. So this is the historical APY rate. Yes, I went to school. This is the historical APY rate. As you can see, it's green, meaning that the return has been good so far, even though it was very high to almost 5. This is for USDC, almost 5.61%, but now it's around 2.07% annual percentage yield. So it depends on which one you want to go for. Me, if I wanted to invest in this APY, I will go for ETH, Ethereum, or USDT. These are the two I actually have a little bit of knowledge about. So coming over to the contest, let me now say you are an astute crypto trader, like you're someone who loves trading. I want to be able to compete with other traders across the whole wide world or across the world. You can basically leverage on this, their contest. You get into contest and actually see whether you are better than other traders. This is just like contest. When they say contest, you're contesting with other people to see whether you can trade better than them. The contest here, you can see this is weekly battle 8 and weekly battle 9. The contest is going to end in the next 1 day, 10 hours, 23 minutes and 57 seconds. And the award for this contest, weekly battle 8, is $5,000 and it's going to start very soon. If you're a very good trader, I'll actually encourage you to join this and get a chance of winning $5,000. And the second one is also $5,000. I think this is nice. This is nice. So let's just view it to see if we can get more details on the contest. So okay, the $5,000, the first place is going to take $3,000. The second place will take $1,500, and the third place is $500. If you add these three together, it's equal to $5,000, which is nice, because if you give $5,000 to just one person, it doesn't really make sense. But giving it to 3 people is going to encourage, because you now know that in the future, if you still contest again, you might end up being the second or the third, even if you don't end up being the first. So let's go back to the copy trading, which is where we that don't know how to trade is going to focus on. This is our base. So we go back to the copy trading, and here, this copy trading, you see some of the best traders in the world, like some of the best traders who actually have accounts with Prime Xbt. This is where they are rated. You can see here ratings. Then you can now see their names, the total profit they have made so far today, their profit today, how many days have been active on Prime Xbt, the followers they have, people that are following them, then their portfolio performance, and then the followers equity. So let's just go scroll down. How many of them do we have here? We have 50. Or you can still go to the next page to load other contests, other traders that are trading well on Prime Xbt. What I want to do now is to see if I can find someone that I want to copy their trade, someone that I want to give my money to help me and trade and make money. That's just the end goal. So let's just go back, because what I'm seeing here is not nice. You're seeing 1 star, 2 star. Usually you want to go for 3 star and above. So what I'm just seeing here is 2 star. This one has been active for how long? For 100 and how many days? For 183 days. Okay. And his profit so far, you can see it here. Not bad. But we want to go for the top guys. So let's go to the first page. So on the first page here, that's where you usually find some of the best traders to actually help you or to actually copy. So what we have to do is to look for someone that has a good rating and that has been active on the platform for a good number of time or days. So this one has been active for 101 days, 50 followers, and it has 27,315 USD in his portfolio. So basically, people that are copying him have actually invested 27,319 USD, which is amazing. Well, let's see if we can find someone better than the guy. So over here is 159. Wow. Followers. He has over 159 followers. He has been active for 107 days, and so far he has made plus 1,327.62% in terms of profit, because he's shining green. So it means the guy is a nice guy. I think this guy, and he has over 64,559 USD on his in equity in terms of people giving him money to trade for them and copy his trades. So I think this, he has a 1-star rating. Okay, over the past 30 days. So basically these stars, they are removed after 30 days or so. So I think I like the guy, even though he has 1 star. I like this guy. So let's just copy the guy. He has been active for a long number of days, so you can just copy the guy. So how do we copy this guy now? You copy this guy by clicking on the follow button. So it means you want to follow him, want to copy his trade. Any trade he's making, we are making it with him. So how much you want to put in? How much you want to put into this guy? We have 1 BTC. Should we just put in our whole 1 BTC? Well, if you're a trader, actually, I will not encourage you to put your whole capital in one particular person or copy one person. It's not right, because even though the person is a professional, definitely there are times the market is going to be down. The person will not make profit. So you need to be very, very much aware of this. And if you're putting in any money in Prime Xbt, you need to make sure you're not putting money that will put you in debt or put you in a bad situation. I will not encourage you to do that. So basically, what we can do is to put in 1 BTC. Okay, I think I have. Okay, the individual following limit is 0.1 BTC. So I can't put in 1 BTC. I can only put in 0.1 BTC and that's downwards. So let's go for 0.1 BTC. Okay, which is 1% entry fee. Okay, so total required is 0.101 BTC. Manager fee from profit is 20%. So for any profit you make, the guy or the person that is managing this portfolio, this particular trade you're copying now, you want to take 20% of the profit. For me personally, as someone who is always busy, I think it's a win-win. If you take 20% of 100% profit, it's not bad. It's nice. So what we can do is to click on the confirm button and then follow him, and the trade has been placed. So that's just how it works, guys. That's how it works. So one of the reasons why I like Prime Xbt is because of the interface. Though they still need to improve on the interface, but I believe personally this is my second time actually going through the platform, and I was not really that much confused because of how easy it is to understand the interface. But why I don't like them again is because my 1 BTC cannot be given to me because this is a demo account. I'm just trying to test out the platform and see if I'm going to be able to understand it and actually make use of it. So that's one of the reasons why I don't like Prime Xbt. So if they can give me back my 1 BTC, I love their platform. I love their platform. There's going to be a link in the description for you to be able to sign up on Prime Xbt. If you use the promo code AROOMS, you'll be given 50% plus bonus if once you fund the account with $200 and above. So I encourage you to test them out, try them out, and please do not invest what you can afford to. Or I don't know how they put it, but guys, be careful when you're investing because the crypto markets can be volatile, and I will not be happy if any of my subscribers or my family members, which is you guys, lose their money. I will not be happy. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Do not forget to smash the like button so that this video can be recommended to more people, and also hit the subscribe button. And without much talk, see you on the next one. They will know.